Okay, guys, this is part 2. It's fake. Are you serious? You're really telling it to me it's fake?
Oh my god.
Nothing?
Yes, it did something.
It did a little bit.
No, like you can see the marks of the baseball.
Wait, you're saying my tablet's too old? Say yeah,
Yes.
Oh. Hit me in the stomach, but not that hard. Okay? Oh. Oh. 2 hours later. My tablet. Bro, I need a new tablet. Hey, can I get a new tablet or can I get this repaired? Say no.
No. This is too much to do.
Are you legit serious? Oh, guys.
The back did something.
Oh my god, the screen. It's like popped up a little bit. What?
Where's your phone?
Up here!
What?
Up here! Okay, we can't do this one. We can't.
Change your phones before you go to Callie's.
Okay, tech edits here. We are gonna do a tablet flip. Okay. As you can see, no damage, but now it is.
Are you trying to make the screen pop out?
Rock. I know where we have rocks, guys. Let's choose. We have big rock. We have this painted blue rock, guys. Screen kind of popped out. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, guys. Look. Rock hit right there.
Wait, it's like popping into it.
Yeah, we can push that down a little bit. Okay, that was the 24th thing. Now we're gonna do 25 hits with the baseball bat.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Okay, guys, come here. So as you can see, no serious damage, just screen crack. We're gonna shoot it again. Okay. Now, but first we gotta find it. Guys, I'll be right back. Just talk to the camera. I'm gonna go find it, Bella.
Talk.
Anna. Hey, you do.
He's so weird. He's like an alien. Oh my god. So
Okay, guys. I found this on our bathroom floor.
what?
I found this on the bathroom floor.
Why? Did you shoot it in the bathroom?
Yeah. My friend shot me in the butt. He also shot me in the leg with the BB gun. You guys want to see the scar? Still there. It happened like 3 weeks ago. Okay, 2 bullets in. Hey, get him over here. Okay, everybody be careful.
What did that do?
Okay, ready?
It cracked.
I can think you're funny.
It did
Okay,
like a
guys.
little dent.
Didn't really do any damage.
It did a little dent here.
Watch out, everyone. What are we gonna do? Like this, I wish, we're not doing that Apple tablet, no. Hear that sizzle? We're gonna do this side.
That's not gonna do anything.
Okay, everybody, watch out.
Did that do anything?
Guys, look. We found a piece of the glass. Oh.
It did it like all on the side. This is probably doing more than 25 ways.
Hey, yeah, but we need to do it.
We just want to destroy this. Or did a little bit of damage.
Here, let me try.
Okay, she's gonna try. Hey. Do it on the ground. That's a lot better. No, like get on the ground and do it.
No,
That's what I did.
it's doing a little bit.
Okay, good job. Okay, stop. Okay. I'm gonna find something.
Find where?
Keep the video rolling. It's something. Oh, there it is.
What are you looking?
Okay, so guys, this. If we did the BB gun, that thing would have just shattered. So, I broke my iPhone 6 Plus because I got a new phone, which is what I'm filming on right now. That thing is shattered. I got it into pieces. Hold up. You know Jay? You know Jay, who we went to visit?
Mhm.
He died today. Well, 2 days ago.
Wait, Jay?
You know, Josh's dad.
Yeah. Yeah, I know.
That did something.
Did what? It didn't do anything.
Well, this is what it did. Guys, is this normal?
It broke in half.
How did that tablet do that? Legit.
Probably the glass.
Okay, now we gotta find another bullet. Anything in here? Oh, I found one. So guys, this is my little cousin right here. Okay guys, ready? Okay guys, so we're gonna let, hey guys, come here. Look at this. Look, we can push it down. We can push that down.
Because it looks
Like,
like
it's
it
popped up.
it synced through it. It's like that synced through it. That's not gonna do anything.
Okay, this will. Okay, watch out guys. Okay guys, we gotta work on the back.
The back isn't gonna do anything.
Okay, I hope you guys liked that video. We will be doing maybe more board smashing. And I think Plain Rock helped me inspire to do this. See you guys, and go subscribe to Edit Swaggy. And also go subscribe to Big Story YouTube channel. He's my best friend. See you guys next time. Bye. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, we will be doing 25 ways to break a Samsung tablet. But hold on, we gotta take the SIM cards and stuff out. Nah, it's not. This ain't important. I won't use it. Don't do anything stupid, okay? So what's first on our list? And it's 25 ways. First, basic drop. Damage? Nope. And my camera girl is my cousin. You want to show them, people? And second on our list, we're not going to do this. It's dropping water, but we can't do that. Baseball bat hit.
Because we don't have water.
Get any damage? Wow, the screen. You know, we're gonna do it one more time. Not a single scratch. What's next on the list? Okay, I'm gonna play a game on it. No, I'm lagging. No damage, as you can see. Okay, we're gonna run it over.
By what?
The blur. Okay?
That probably did nothing.
Nothing. Okay, listen. This is a pellet gun. See?
You're doing it too close. Step back.
See? It's a BB gun. No pellet in it.
That's not a BB gun.
Okay,
Where did it go?
found it. This is a pellet gun. See? Red pellets. These are red pellets. As you can see. And just don't ban me, okay? Because my cousin got all of this. See, it's orange. See? It's fake. Where did I put it? Okay. Right there, we're gonna do it 2 times. One back here. Get down. Ready? Okay, nothing on the first hit. Now we're gonna do the screen.
So turn it over.
Oh.
Look at that. The screen's totally cracked.
Just because of a plastic pellet. Okay, we're done with this. Hey guys, look at that damage. Just by 1 hit. We also gotta be careful.
Like the back did nothing.
Hard cold plastic.
But the front, the screen.
Okay. Okay, now we're gonna do throw in air.
Barely did anything.
Okay, I'm going to my friend's house. What? No Wi-Fi?
Nothing.
Duh, dang it. Okay, I'm listening into my headphones. Hold on, I'm gonna go use the bathroom. It's not Bluetooth? Well, that did something.
What?
Look, guys. Look at that. Just did a chip. And be careful, groove.
Did that even do anything?
Wow, I just got a new game board. I can't wait to play with Ryan. FBI, open up! Ah! As you can see, did some damage. Don't be in my video. Okay, I just bought this new tablet. Bro, what the heck?
Did that do anything?
Oh, holy crap. I'm doing a workout. Oh no! My tablet! It's broken! No damage. I'm watching this new horror movie. As you can see, the baseball bat did some damage. Road. Pretend this is the road. Okay, be careful where you step on. I think that's glass. Oh, I'm cracked at this game. Are you serious? It just died? It died. Okay, no serious damage.
Yeah, it's serious.
Haha. Okay. Okay, you're gonna say, ha, your tablet's so broke. No, say, haha, you're so broke you can't afford to get a new tablet.
Haha, you're so broke you can't afford to get a new tablet.
Huh? Oh. No one wants to be friends with me because my tablet.